So, hello and welcome back. Today I'm doing the International Booktuber type. Great start, I can speak English. Question number 1. Where are you from and what is your native language or languages? I'm from Belarus, so my native languages are Belarusian and Russian. Question number 2. In what languages do you read books? If you will range the languages I'm reading books in, it would be Russian, then English and Belarusian. I'm studying French, so I'm trying to read something in French, but I have not read a single book in French yet. Number 3. Is the booktube in your native language, and if so, what is the community like? I've never seen any booktubers filming in Belarusian. I've watched one girl from Minsk for a while, but she was filming in Russian. So yeah, I don't think there is a Belarusian community of booktubers, but yeah, Russian community is quite big. I don't watch a lot of people. I think I've subscribed to like 4 channels, but as I assume the community is quite big, so they have some events and like booktube gift exchange. Oh no, I've watched 5 channels. Yeah, now I remembered another person. Yeah, great. Number 4. Is there a booktube community in your native language? Why did you decide to join the international one? I can say that I've decided to join an international booktube community because I don't even consider this channel like 100% booktube, because when I started, my main goal was to practice speaking English, and I still consider my channel like a mixture of booktube, StudyTube, language learning, YouTube, that stuff. It's not like poor booktube, so I decided to join the international community. But yeah, as I said, I want to practice and improve my English speaking skills, so that's why. I don't mind filming in Belarusian, in Russian, or even in French. It's hard, but I can film in French, yeah, why not? Number 5. Are there any struggles or challenges for you as a non-native English speaker? I can't say that my level of English is like complete crap, so yeah, of course, when I'm watching other booktubers videos or when I'm reading books, sometimes, yeah, I saw the words which I don't completely understand, but I can get everything from the context, so it's kind of okay. The only problem which I see is not like non-native English speaker, but for a person who lives in a non-English speaking country, because it's problematic to find books in English, or at least books that's interesting. Of course, you can find some classics and stuff, or you can do some adaptations like for language learners in bookstores, but they are usually pricey. So yeah, I think that getting books, it's more hard. Yeah, of course you can download the digital ones, but I mean, getting physical copies, it's problematic. But even getting digital copies is problematic because here books are not that pricey as like in the US. Maybe it's because our salaries are not that big. But yeah, when I can buy a physical copy, hardcover book, for some amount of money, but for the same amount of money I can buy only digital copy, and hardcover book would cost twice more. It's problematic. So yeah, I don't have that much money. Yeah, that is a problem. Question number 6. How do you get hold of English books? Yeah, okay, I've talked about it a little bit before, but I mostly download them, sometimes for free, which is when it's pirated copies, which is kind of bad, but I would like to purchase some books physically. I have a little wish list already, but yeah, mostly that's digital copies. Also, I have some books, some old books I found, but it's like, yeah, studying materials for students. Mostly. I have some random one, like I have this little, like, tourist guides for tourist traveling in Ireland. I found it for free, actually absolutely random purchase. I can't say purchase in this situation, it was free. Number 7. What is the best thing about being part of the international community? You can answer in your native language and add subtitles if you want to. Ну, по-перше, мне подобається вивчати мову, тому это файно. По-другое, я могу даведацца пра нейкія новыя цікавыя кнігі, калі яны толькі публікуюцца, таму што, мабыць, яны нават не будуць перакладзены на рускую мову, мабыць, яны будуць перакладзены значна пазней. І калі б я сачыла толькі за рускамоўнымі публікацыямі, я б нават не даведалася пра гэтыя кнігі. Таму гэта, на мой погляд, самы цікавы момант, як гэта сказаць. Гэта самы вялікі плюс інтэрнацыянальнай буктюб-суполкі. Так. Number 8. Do you watch other international booktube channels? Shout out the channels that you found recently. This is hard. Okay, let's look at my subscribe feed, because I watched a lot of booktube channels, and I can't say from the top of my brain. I can't say names. But international means that yes, they're filming in English, because obviously I watched quite a lot of French channels, and I watched some Russian channels. It's not a recent subscription, but Brehe from Be a Reader. Oh my god, where she's from? Yeah, she's Dutch. Books and Quills. I think she's originally from Netherlands, but she lives in London now. Yeah, she's from Netherlands. But I think she's quite popular already. Then the channel Live Gopher. I think she's not native English speaker. At least she's not from England and not from America. She's somewhere from Europe. The book Finch, she is Finnish. Oh, okay, Lena from The World of Bookworm, she's from Austria. Oh my god, I've watched another channel. Yeah, okay, I found her. Yulin Cosmos. She's actually a native Russian speaker, but she films videos in English. And I don't remember where she lives now. I don't think that she lives in Russia for now. Yeah, she also a nice booktuber. Yeah, I think it's pretty much it all. At least that's the people that I kinda sure that they're not native English speakers. They can be considered as an international booktubers. Number 9. Thank your fellow international booktubers. I'm not connecting with the people I've named, so, and probably some from them I've already done this tag, so, but if you're an international booktuber and you'd like to do this tag, it would be great, and I tag you. So I guess that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.